The 6-in-1 baby high chair is a versatile piece of furniture that adapts as your child grows, serving as an infant seat, toddler booster, dining chair, and even a step stool. Its innovative step stool function allows toddlers to safely engage in activities like washing vegetables or decorating cookies, fostering both confidence and independence. Cleaning is made simple with a removable tray that includes a dishwasher-safe insert and the seat's wipe-clean surface along with a machine-washable harness. Safety is a top priority with this high chair, featuring a 5-point harness to secure active toddlers and a broad pyramid base to prevent tipping. The chair's compact, foldable design makes it ideal for small living spaces, offering easy storage in apartments or when visiting family. With its thoughtful design and multifunctionality, the 6-in-1 Baby High Chair by Kisuplus is an excellent investment for families looking for convenience and longevity.